It's me, Alegra. Dolls, I'm hopping on today with a makeup subscription box unboxing. This is for the IPSY November box, so I'm so excited. I have never gotten a box that was a dud. Everything is always just top notch. And can I just tell you, beauties, that cleanser from last month's box, did you guys get it? If you have the IPSY box, it was the Dr. Brandt cleanser. New holy grail. That cleanser is phenomenal. I'm so happy. And there was also a sample for a mask, which was amazing. And then I actually went online and I tried to order it because it was a very small sample, but it was all sold out. They said they're going to send me an email. You know, I signed up for email alert, so when it comes back in stock, I will be able to get it. But so far it's been a few weeks and it hasn't been back in stock. I gotta search for it somewhere else actually, because I looked at Sephora, but maybe somewhere else is a better option. Somewhere else will have it in stock. But also, before we dive into today's video, I just want to let you beauties know who won one of our last giveaways, and that is Holly. Holly, congratulations, you are the gift card winner. So I'm gonna put your name, like I said in a previous video, but if you didn't catch it, I'm gonna be putting your guys' name up down below, so this way you see it, so you know, so the YouTube scammer can't get to you, because that's the only way from now on you'll know if you won, is if, unless you catch the comment. I'm gonna comment you too, hopefully, but if not, just check the video. Somewhere in the video I will be letting you know who our winners are, so you can see if you're a winner. So it's working out good, because our last winner did see that she won right away as soon as I posted the video, so I was so happy about that. And anyway, beauties, let's just dive right in. I'm so excited to get into this box. Now here it is. I have this little baby right here, so let's see here. Okay. Ooh, okay, they just captured my heart right now. Look at this. Look at this. Look at how stinking cute. Oh my gosh. And that stripe, because I do have leopard print things. I don't have a leopard print makeup bag though, or I like to use these as clutches when you go out, if you can. If they can, you know, yeah, they do fit your iPhone usually. So that stripe though is so stinking cute. I'm gonna, oh, I was gonna say I was gonna open that first, but now I just saw some other goodies in here. It is, look at all this. OMG. Okay, I can't resist. I can't resist. So this is the IPSY Creator Box. So there are some goodies in here. So I've got my Glam Bag Plus here, and then the Creator Box has some extra goodies, like I said. So let's see what it is, and let me know what you got in your box. If you got any of these in your box, let me know down below. But, ooh, guys, look at this. Shades by Sean, the setting spray. You are very beautiful. Is this a berry setting spray? Let's, you know what? Let's give it a try. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shake it up. Okay, it doesn't have a scent, but very beautiful packaging, very nice fine mist. So that's really nice. I was thinking it was gonna smell like berries, but it does not. Maybe it's just berry infused, you know, berry extract infused or something like that. So but anyway, guys, let's keep it moving. Now here is something from Kinship, and let's see, Cool, Calm, and Hydrating Gel Cream Moisturizer Superhero. So this is a Superhero Hydrating Gel Cream Moisturizer, which sounds so nice and soothing, a gel to cream moisturizer. So I can't wait to try this. It's, oh, it says right here, hyaluronic acid infused, coconut water, and marshmallow root. Oh, okay. I love when things have marshmallow root in them, because then they have that marshmallow scent. So let's, am I addicted to scents, guys? Maybe. So I do love a nice scent. So let's see here if this has a scent to it. Let's see here, guys. I can't open it. Okay. Oh, I just lost a nail. I just lost a nail, you guys. Okay. Now, all right, whatever. What are you gonna do? Okay. It's worth it. It's worth it to see if it has a nice marshmallow scent. Oh yes, it does. It's so light. It's the lightest scent, but I love it. It's so pretty. It's very light, but so beautiful. Oh, it feels so good on my hand. Oh, it does. Yeah, it's that smells so good. Oh, I can't wait to use this. Now I was wanting to tell you guys too, like I've been using a lot of moisturizer lately. I normally don't use moisturizer, but where I'm at, the water is, I guess it's pretty hard, because it's really irritated my skin, dried my skin out. So I've been using moisturizers, and I can't wait to use that. I've been using that Hydrocate moisturizer from Kate Somerville. Amazing. I'm gonna do an updated skincare routine and let you guys know, because I found some amazing skincare products that I can't wait to share with you. but that will be for another day. So now here is a palette. This is the On Your Face Eye Color Palette Presumida. Okay, hopefully I said that right. So, oh, it has some beautiful, oh, it has like tattoo artwork on it, which I love. Beautiful traditional tattoo artwork. Oh, and the back has some beautiful artwork as well. Oop. And then let's see. Oh, and then there's beautiful colors inside. This says Reina. Very nice, beautiful. Love the packaging. And so let me put that aside. And then here is another, what is this? Oh, some brushes, Iconic London brushes maybe? I love everything Iconic London. So let's see what this is about. Oh yes, guys, look at how beautiful. You know, I don't think I've ever tried Iconic London brushes, but I can't wait. And I love the color white and gold. This is like a rose gold and white. Super beautiful. So this one is very fluffy. I would definitely love to use, I like to use a brush like that on my face. So setting powder like under the eye, I like to put just a little bit. So I'll use a extra fluffy kind of an eyeshadow brush. And then there's a few more in here, just beautiful. So yeah, can't wait to try these, guys. What do you think of these? Have you tried them yet? Are they working out good for you? Let me know. And then here is the IPSY kind of little sack that they give you, so you can put all of your IPSY goodies in here and take them with you wherever you go. And again, beautiful leopard print, the animal print. Love that. So now, guys, let's get into the glam bag, or just the glam bag plus. So in here is, let's see, the, oh, this is, I believe, a cosmetics lash blowout. Can't wait to try that. And then what is this, you guys? M2U New York City matte liquid lip, beautiful berry shade. This is also seemingly cruelty free and vegan. Beautiful, beautiful package. I like the packaging, nice white, that cute little logo they have, very nice. And then here is Gloss Modern Clean Luxury Perfume Oil. Yes, you guys, I love perfume oils. Oh, this is a beautiful lip. I hope this smells good because I love perfume oil, and I don't have any right now. Yeah, it smells so pretty, very fresh and light. Oh, well, it's stronger than it seems when you put it on, from smelling it in the bottle. I guess that's the oil, the perfume oil. It is stronger though than you would imagine, so you only need a little. If you're like me, I don't like too much unless I'm a crazy I don't know, you guys know it. It's kind of, I have to try more from this brand, Gloss Modern, because I absolutely love perfume oil. And this one is a little bit, it's a little also running masculine to me. It smells I hate to tell you guys, like, it reminds me of a little bit of, I don't want to ruin it for you guys. If you know, do you want me to say, go skip this part if you don't want to hear it. I don't know, guys, maybe it's unisex. It reminds me of Old Spice. My husband wears Old Spice deodorant. Okay, please skip that. Okay, skip that part. Okay, so anyway, guys, oh, look at this, something from Juicy Couture. Honeybee, wild honey, creamy vanilla orange. Oh, it's a candle. Oh, that is so pretty. See, to be honest, like me, I like honey, vanilla, candy kind of scents. I like sweet scents. This is so sweet. This smells incredible. I can't wait to light this. This smells, oh my god, I've never smelled anything like, well, it reminds me of, like, say, a Jolly Rancher, like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. It smells so good. You know, I love watermelon scents. Oh, if you love watermelon scents, you've got to, this smells very watermelon-esque to me. This smells so good, even though it says it's creamy vanilla and orange blossom and wild honey. There's probably no watermelon, but my initial reaction, it smells like candy. It smells so good. Those are my kind of scents. Yeah, this one is a little, it's unisex probably. On a man, you know, well, you know, like my friend loves to wear men's perfume. So, you know, if you like to wear, I feel like this does, anyway, you guys know what I'm saying. It does smell a little, reminds me of a men's cologne. So if you like men's cologne scents, girl, try it, or guy, whoever's watching. Okay, so is that everything? Oh, and then here is a little something. And let's see what this is. This is a Ooh, PYT Beauty eyeshadow palette. Beautiful pink shades and waves. Gorgeous. So this box was really good, you guys. I gotta say, from everything that I've seen so far, this one, wow, I gotta get more. I know I'm gonna love this. I'm gonna light it, I'll let you guys know. But I'm sure I'm gonna love this because this smells so stinking good to me. I can't wait to go like this right now. I gotta go find these online and get a huge one because this smells so good. And it's the Juicy Couture Honey Bee. And it's a soy candle, fine fragrance soy. That's pretty much it, guys. Louis kind of regressed. He's been in a lot of pain. It's really hard, guys, because if we don't let him out to play, he cries and cries and cries. But if we let him out to play, you know, he gets hurt. So I don't know what to do. What would you guys do, you know? Even the doctor did give him medication to kind of relax him and make him sleep a lot, so he wouldn't want to play so much, but the medication really doesn't work. He doesn't want to sleep. He wants to be out, you know, running, playing with everybody, you know, because we're outside all day playing. So, you know, I try to sit with him in his box, because we made him a little crated area, you know, like we put a fence around the area in the living room, so he'll be safe in there. There's like room for me. There's a room for like 3 people, so he can walk. It's a lot of room, but it's still, you know, I can't stay in there forever, you know, so I get out, I walk in the kitchen, he wants to come with me, but he can't. He really, but hopefully he'll be better soon, guys. So, and thank you guys so much for praying for him. And I know he'll get better soon. So thank you guys so much for coming and checking out my makeup subscription box unboxing today. My little haul. I am gonna have a makeup giveaway soon. I'm gonna have a huge makeup giveaway soon, guys. You have no clue how big it's gonna be. And oh, I'm having another giveaway that I can't wait. I'm just waiting for everything to go through, but I'm having a huge holiday giveaway hopefully, so I can't wait for that. So anyway, there's lots of fun things to look forward to. I hope you guys are all doing good. Thank you for spending time with me today and checking out my IPSY makeup subscription box unboxing. And I'll see you beauties very soon. Bye, I love you.